Hey guys, I just wanted to show, I got a set of injectors. I had this conversation with a few people. So I got a set of injectors. These came out of a running truck. We're replacing them with bigger injectors for him. I've actually already shipped them out. But I wanted to show you guys, I've had this conversation with a couple of people before. These injectors came out of a running truck, running P-pump 12 valve. I think they were out of a 96, I think he said. But I just want to show you, if you have a set of injectors that haven't been in anything for a while, and they weren't stored properly, or weren't tested, or at least taken apart, clean, put back together at the very least, I just wanted to show you guys, just because it runs doesn't mean they're good injectors. So I've actually already tested these, but I thought this could be a learning experience for some people. So what we're gonna do here, I need to set this room up a little better because it's a disaster at the moment. Been so busy, one of those things, I actually have flooring to put in here, and just one of those things, can't keep up to everything right at the moment, which I guess in the scheme of things with what's going on in the world, not a horrible thing, not a horrible problem to have. So like I said, I have tested, I haven't cleaned these yet. But I have tested them already, but I just wanted to show you guys what, just because if the truck runs does not mean that it's good. So we'll do here, actually I guess I can do this. So you can see how it's not popping. You guys will be able to see it in the video. I want to get the camera a little closer here. So, one of those things that, the only thing that sucks about doing this stuff is the camera gets covered in oil. So that's how these things, that's how this one was. Like, you can get it to pop, but that's like 200 bar and it should be popping at 260. So that's just the first one. We'll do a couple of them. It's just, I'll show you. Like I said, I wanted to show you guys just to, so you understand why if I say, just because it came out of a running truck doesn't mean that they shouldn't be taken apart, tested, or they shouldn't be tested at the very least, or taken apart and cleaned. I actually had a set of injectors yesterday that that had really bad seat leakage. So this one's firing, but it's firing at like 210. So it's too low. So that one's working, but is like 50 bar low from where it should be, which isn't good for it either, but better than pouring out fuel, in my opinion anyway. Not good for it, but because it's actually putting fuel in. You want everything to be pretty close to each other, because if you're not, then you're having cylinders fire at different times, right? So this one's doing the same thing. It's actually got a little bit of leakage, but it's doing it at 220. Which there again, still low. I don't know what these, like I said, I haven't taken them apart and cleaned them. I'm going to be tearing them apart, cleaning everything, and well, these will be getting built into new injectors, but well, finally we got one. There's one injector, so there's one out of 4 we've tested so far that's actually reasonable. Pretty good, I would classify as good. Another one that's no good. Like, hopefully you guys can see that in the video. Like I said, these came out of a running truck, so like this one won't even pop properly. And you guys are wondering why, you know, you're getting idle haze, and the engine's not running properly. Can't figure out what the problem is. These engines are very good engines, but they're not a run forever, not do any maintenance to engine. You know, the injection system does have a lifespan to them. So just so you guys are aware. Yeah, this one's popping, but it's popping too early. It's actually popping at like 2:30, so it's popping too early. But so basically there's one out of this set of 6 that's any good, or what I would classify as a usable injector. So just for you guys to be aware, just because it runs doesn't mean they're good. So anyways, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you're subscribing, please. Then you can you'll see my content as I'm putting it out. And then yeah, like the video and comments down below. Thanks. Take her easy. Catch you on the next one.